Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the XY plane. Take the line command. Here we are going to select from the center point. Make a straight line. Make one line like this. One line like here. One here and here. Okay, now escape. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point, go to dimension, define this as 12 mm. Okay, now here the total dimension from bottom will be of 65 mm. Okay, now here select this line, select here, we'll define this as 83 mm and define this as 35 mm. Now escape. Okay, now select here, make it construction. Now go to offset, select this profile, select this profile. Okay, we have cursor inside, press enter. Now we'll take offset of 10 mm and escape. Okay, now here take the line command, extend this line till bottom and join here. Okay, now escape. Now go to mirror quantity, select this complete profile, go to mirror line, select this center line, apply and done. Now finish sketch, take extrude, we will extrude this profile up to 70 mm and we will take here mid plane. Press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Now here take the rectangle command, take 2 point center rectangle. Here we'll select the center point, the green point. Okay, when you drag the cursor on this, you'll find a green point, the center point. We'll make a rectangle here. First click here, this will be a construction geometry. Okay, now make this rectangle. Now you can see this is dotted profile. Now turn off the construction, go to circle command, make one circle on this, make one here, one random circle here and one circle of diagonal 12. Okay, now escape. Now go to dimension, the dimension of rectangle from corner, this will be at 20 mm. Okay, and from top the rectangle edge will be at 23 mm. Okay, now escape. Now go to equal constraint, select this circle, press Ctrl, select this and select this. So all the 4 circles will be equal. Now escape. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select all the profiles. Here we'll take cut and press OK. Okay, now here go to fillet, take a fillet radius here of 15 mm. Okay, and select this edge, select this edge. Now here press click to add and we'll select another radius of 6 mm. Go to edge selection, select the inner edge and here select this inner edge. You have selected this inner edges. Okay, now press OK. Now here you can see only one fillet command will be shown and 2 radius we have applied. Okay, now here select this face, go to create sketch, take rectangle command, take 2 point rectangle, make one rectangle profile here, go to dimension, define this as 25. Okay, and from corner we'll select here, this will be 10 and this height will be of 2 mm. Now escape. select this line, make it construction, select this line, make it construction. You want same profile other side as well. First, go to rectangle, go to 2-point rectangle, same profile. Okay, go to dimension, define this as 25, and from corner this will be at 10 mm. Okay, and the height will be of 2 mm. Now escape. So both the profiles are defined. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this, take haircut. Here we are going to take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now here select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the profile, take circle command. From this center point, make dia 50. From same center, make dia 25. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this middle profile, and here we are going to take extrude of 25 mm. Press OK. Select this top face, go to create sketch, select this dia 25, project geometry, and finish sketch. Now we are going to make a through cut. So go to extrude, here I'll take cut, and here I'll take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Go to home view. So this will be the final profile. Okay. Now I'll give a radius, go to fillet. I'll take here a radius of 3 mm. Go to edge selection, select this edge, select this, rotate, and select this. Press OK. Go to home. Now we'll define the appearance from here. We'll take the candid. Okay. So this will be candid blue, and this will be the final profile. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.